Lahara him Tomani Jurabo, Scooty by Belake, Doi Fay to the Dermabe, Shak Derakha, Khoroknwi, Patimung, Puni Damta, Taman Jurabo, Dini Koitani Bishin Khobjak, Jobatila, Hatikanani Lahara. Patimani Amton Lukon Mokola Kalake, Loglugan Kotomahorka, Koi Hankoni Horbatana, Brindiaroma, Horbatana, Brindiaro, Patimatayo Fay, Shak Drazon Kozawe, Koi Hanko Shakam Nogo, the Langitanga, they Shak Drazo Tabu Koi Hanko Shakam Nogo, Shaknajar, Kotomani Patimatayo Fay Shabakia, police. Scooty no Khoroknwi Thana the Langitanga, Opatimoti, Horbatana, Brindia Tamshaka, 980, Chinamapluva.
Scooty extinction. Jobotila Badar. আমরা কল পাইছি লগে লগে আমরা বাইরেছি বাইরিয়া একজনের পাইছি তাই আমরা হসপিটালে গেছি।
নাম কি তাও না?
নাম সুরক্ষাতি
বাবা নাম
আর বাড়ি হইল সনখোলা হাতিমারা।
বয়স কত?
বয়স 18 বছর।
Hello, my name is Dr. Neelam Ahmed and I am the Managing Trustee of the Dhanwantri Group of Institutions. Here, I would like to share with you our journey. I'm a medical doctor who studied in MS Ramaiah Medical College. In 2003, my husband and I started the nursing colleges, the Dhanwantri Group. We started with nursing, but today we have several courses and programs: allied health sciences, pharmacy, management studies, paramedical. And the good news is that today we started our Dhanwantri multi-speciality hospital. We have very good, experienced and well-trained faculty who take care of the students like their family members and are excellent in their teaching. Our students, after passing out, do very well and they are placed very well in hospitals across the world as well as India. We have excellent teaching facilities for our students, including full-fledged labs. We have all affiliations and approvals from the government. Our campus is easy to access as it is at a walkable distance from the Chikpanawar railway station.